hear what I said?
No.
I said I never went into it, but I would be the one for this episode.
That's a terrible intro. All right, welcome back. Today on Three Dudes and a Jimmy, we're working on outer tie rod end and the outer tie rod end on the J-arm.
Chief, we need your help.
What's up?
All right, we gotta figure out how we're arranging these. So we gotta move the Jeep over here where we have an extended cord to get everything going.
Leave the Jimmy over there.
So we're gonna put the Jimmy over here, leave the Jeep here, and what do you want to do with Sally?
Sally can move.
Sally can move a little bit,
But
you're gonna have to open the door.
Extension cord. That's one way. Lauren. Yeah, she'll be good. Just put Sally right here. That's good. You gotta be nice and Sally.
You hear what I said?
No.
I said I never went into it, but I would be the one for this episode.
That's a terrible intro. Yes, we're recording right now.
That was my actual intro.
Okay, so this microphone is directional. So talk into it.
What does that even mean? Talking on the mic. That's all I got. I'm being for real. Like, doesn't it just pick up sound everywhere? Alright guys, today we will be changing, but you also gotta maintain eye contact with the camera. Today we're gonna change the tie rod ends on the 1977 Jimmy. Here's my brother, Dakota Drinker. Little Daddy D. You gotta explain why I moved it. You gotta measure first. You're measuring the center of the tie rod?
You need some point of reference that you can duplicate when you put the new one on.
Remember, Jonathan, no F-bombs, okay? Yeah? Oh. Keith, you got that flashlight? I mean, it's on.
Standing in front of it, or you can actually see what he's doing. It's like a how-to video.
But we never describe how to. Wait, hold on. These are comedic mechanic videos. How do I lower this? We said they're how-to videos. We never explain how to do anything.
Let me move this little guy. Okay. How do you lower this?
It's a how-to video. You should know. You can't tell somebody how to do something if you can't even lower it.
Oh, I should know how?
Yeah.
I never watched a how-to video on how to use this thing.
What do you want to lower?
The stand, I was going to try and get it under the truck, but I got it. It can see. You want to check my work?
You're going to need payable tax.
Need what? Need what? Are you kidding me? For the cotter pin? Just cut it.
Okay. All right, welcome back. Today we're working on the, what was I going to call it? Hold on. No. I had something good. All right, welcome back. Today on Three Dudes and a Jimmy, we're working on outer tie rod end and the outer tie rod end on the J-arm. Doing a little suspension fixes.
You're going to have to cut that out. That's good. That's my surprise.
Anyway, we're getting to work. All right, so explain kind of what you're doing right now.
Right now, I'm going to have to figure out which one's which. Where's the other one?
The other what?
Oh, the monkey had it.
I don't get the monkey jokes.
It's simple. There's two dudes and a monkey. One of us is the monkey. You just never know who.
All right, changes it all the time.
Yesterday, you got a sponsor that we shot out for tools and parts and stuff?
No, we don't have any sponsors. Yeah, I can grease it. That's what I just said. No, I said you can grease it.
I saw the grease fitting. I knew you could grease it.
I do this after.
Yeah, I don't know what you want to do.
He likes getting friggin' dirty. It's a 1 inch. Hey, let me see your one for this side. I thought you got the 8 inch one. That ain't 8 inches. Yeah, you got the wrong one. Yes. You even said 8 inches. This is not 8 inches.
I mismeasured sometimes.
That's the wrong one?
Yeah. One inch wrench?
Yeah.
Those are in the ambulance.
It's gonna see you just hear just clatter. Watch your mouth. That's tight.
You didn't take carbon off.
What?
You didn't take carbon off.
Yeah, we're just gonna shear it. Hold on, my ass getting dirty now. Can you get a screwdriver right up? Can you give me a
Your flashlight's on in your pocket.
any screwdriver?
Daddy can get it.
Guess that makes me the monkey.
Why don't you use a cotter pin removal tool?
If I knew that you had a car pin removal tool, you think I'd be over here moving like a monkey man?
What size is your collar there? Is it 3/4 or 11/16?
Can you see enough with that camera? Like, are you catching anything?
I think so. Yeah. Why don't we turn the wheel the other way? Tell me when you're ready. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No, you don't need that. No, you hit it on the side. Yes, you hit right there.
This part?
Yes. But you have to hit it hard. You have to hit it on the side to loosen it. Oh, don't do it all the way. That's it. That's all you need.
It's hanging out by one thread.
Well, I didn't stop you soon enough. All right, pull your stuff off. And then
Hammer it.
you can swing it out just a little bit. Hmm?
Just hit right here. Don't pop up. I don't like that.
Just whack it.
Just whack it.
We're not saving that one.
I mean, I know, but I still don't like to do it.
You've already got it loose. You can probably wiggle the tire and it come off. There you go. Well, we gotta show the viewers what you're doing.
Are you me doing this?
No, not you.
Oh. What's I say?
You take the tie rod end off. So you measure from the center of the tie rod to what? The end of the collar? The end of the... Oh, the center of the nut? Okay. Usually I measure it to the shoulder of the drag length.
It was the closest to a point.
That's fine.
Watch your eyeball.
Watching eyeball.
Is that air?
Yeah. Want to take a rip?
A rip?
Yeah, watch it.
We have air compressor over there. Yeah.
But this is air on the go.
It seems like a waste of money because you actually pay for that
I
air.
didn't pay for it.
All right, whatever. Put some anti-seize or grease on the end of the new one.
All right, go ahead. Are you just directing today? Is that it?
That's how I always do it.
He's never the monkey. I feel like this is the wrong one too.
I help as needed. Like making sure your Pedialyte is upright and not seeping all over this chair. Easy. Easy with the language.
Yeah, he's a sinner.
Trickman.
There's no tally for me.
It's going to be a tally. How many tape measures do you need?
Give me your most expensive one.
No. Like so it's 3 inches. Hey, watch your head.
When's the blooper reel come out?
It's already out. Yeah, it's at the end. I mean, the whole episode, bloopers,
When
basically.
you sent me the Jeep video,
Mm-hmm.
I was sitting there watching it, and then as I was watching it, I got to the part where you had painted it, and I said, I wasn't part of this video after this, and I just skipped. Didn't even watch it.
That does not help me at all.
Why?
Because I need the people to watch the whole video. The duration, that's how the analytics work.
You know how in some websites, when you go to watch a video, it has like a graph of where you can test for that? You know what websites I'm talking about? Jonathan, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
YouTube does not do that.
Right, I'm saying I'm trying to implement that so that way the whole peak interest is just the things that aren't.
That does not help me at all. What helps me is if you start it and finish it. Darn it.
What?
You may turn the steering wheel to help you out? You ready? For me to let go. You got lined up? You get it tight? It doesn't really seem like you got it tight enough.
I'm gonna open up my phone.
That really wasn't that bad.
You need to pull the cotter pin down.
Why?
The second one, so it locks that castle nut. There you go. Now, grease it. It's on your right.
What time is it, Daddy?
It's time for dinner.
What's for dinner? You don't want to go to O'Reilly's and buy this. Sorry. You don't want to go to the parts store and buy the right.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Stop.
I was kidding. Don't blow the seal out.
So if you wipe your grease on the inside of your tire, it allows it to go down a little bit.
All right, we're good. Part 2. Did you get the right parts?
Alright, let's go celebrate like we're gonna get shit.
All right.
Can we get to the nut? I can get the bolt. Look at one nut right now. What nut? Boom. Boom.
Tell us what we're doing today on 3 Dudes and a Jimmy.
Did you get our t-shirts with our names on it?
All right, so what are you measuring here?
The collar to the.
What part of the collar? Center bolt to center tie rod end.
Right under. Right under against. Sounds about right.
So pulling.
What?
Really, all you need to measure is from end to end. Because you're replacing both ends, right? So you measure from here to the center of that.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna burn an inch.
What?
We're gonna burn an inch.
Burn an inch?
So you put it on one, and then you measure it, and then you burn it.
Why do you do that?
It's more accurate.
Yeah, burn an inch.
Burn an inch.
Burn an inch.
Take it off.
Take it off. I don't like this. gotta sit up? Yeah, just stuff like this in my way. I also can't see nothing. I think your counterpin only has one leg on here. Yeah, I don't got one down here too. You have to hammer? Yeah, come on. Okay. Are you already taking it out? Yeah. How'd you get your counterpin out so fast? I pulled it out. Oh. Mine's stuck. So this one's gonna be real nice to do, you know why? Because we can just take it out and adjust it. Yeah. Yeah, this one don't. Let me get in there. Oh yeah, sure, go ahead. I mean, I'm not like I'm gonna do much more, but like, I'll break it. I'll just watch from below. Can you hold the camera with a good angle? Give him a beauty shot, you know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely spinning, you know. I'm gonna go grab this. Hey, where does this thing? Hit? Hit. Yeah. Are we gonna test drive it today? Where did he go?
Well, we need the impact. Get this one off? No. Not there. It would be where Rickman's looking at, or I honestly don't think I have it.
Okay, we're good now, right? I hope that didn't just strip it out, but it's coming. I think it stripped it. You stripped it? Nope. Yes. Okay. Yes, no.
You gotta turn your GoPro on.
I'm not the cameraman. I'm the accessory to the accessory cameraman. You got a pickle fork?
No, you don't.
100%.
Never ever use it.
Yeah. Never.
Why?
Rookie.
Absolutely. They're literally made for this.
Let me see this. Let me see that.
I've taken it off.
Let me see that.
What are you hitting?
Everything?
Everything?
You have to hit the tip and arm.
See, that's all it's hitting. He said no.
With a pickle fork. This would be a lot easier.
I thought you had a pickle fork.
He's really getting mad about this pickle fork thing.
I'm coming when you said pickle fork. Oh, hey.
No, man.
Use your.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Turn your steering wheel. Yeah, that way. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Pickle fork my ass.
Hey, watch your mouth.
I mean, it came off.
Round, round, get around. He gets around.
Even coming out?
What?
I don't think it's coming out.
Round the tie riding.
Just can't see it.
I don't think it's coming out.
You're going the wrong way, goofball.
He's going to the left. What do you mean he's going the wrong way?
Going the wrong way.
Can't believe it's reversible. I didn't notice that on the other one.
I don't think the other one was. I don't think this one will be either.
Remember, it's first threaded. Can't tell if there's excess.
I should have cleaned it up, paint it.
Why do you always? We gotta be like that. Just saying. Just saying.
You came up with that idea a minute ago.
You see, I paint everything.
I don't know, wait to put it in to lock it in.
Yeah, well, it's locking it in place.
You can
Adjust
adjust it from here once you get it installed.
From where?
from here.
From the collar.
And just
You just turn it.
Right, I knew that.
Say it again.
which way is the long side?
It goes on the knuckle. The J arm.
The J arm.
Short side goes on pitman arm.
Short side goes on the pitman arm.
You got the
This one's, there's no grease fitting.
GoPro on? There's no grease fitting? Why'd you buy the cheap stuff?
Well, this one doesn't have a grease fitting. The other two came with a grease fitting. So we had to buy one.
Oh, a Zerk fitting.
Yeah, there you go. That's what I meant.
Okay.
I need both.
You shouldn't have to buy one. Just go tell O'Reilly's you didn't get one.
Okay.
And
No,
they'll
hold this up
give
while
it to
I
you.
grab them that I left it there.
Oh, you already had it on.
Yeah, right.
But it was pointed
You
in
got the
what?
coffee?
I got one on the. Yeah, I got the one in my office. Hey, where you going? I got the one from there. It should be on the ground right there. It might be in the bag.
Push up on your end. You're spinning the shaft. You gotta push up on it.
So now what?
So if you can't do it by holding it, you'll have to jack it up with floor jack.
Bring your butt right
Okay, now do it.
Going in?
Yeah, hold this. I think it's good.
Oh, well, that's your frame flexing. Do it again.
What?
Do it again. Yeah. You're good.
Better?
Yes. You're gonna have to get a. You're gonna have to get a frame gusset kit. Frame gusset kit.
Tell the viewers what that is.
All right. So your steering gearbox is mounted to the frame, right? When you turn the steering wheel, where it's mounted, it flexes that part of the frame. If you buy a gusset kit, it stiffens that part of the frame where the steering gearbox is on. That's what you need. That's good. That's good. Don't get too tight. It'll strip it. That's good. That's good.
Yeah. Remember, always take your grease away from the side.
No, don't do that.
I like to tighten the nut and not the bolt.
Correct. That's the way you should do it. All right, so this concludes this video. Let's see what we did.
What's color coded? Yeah, one's metric and one's standard.